In front of me is POCO M8, and today I would like to show you how you can locate all your downloads. First of all, you need to open an app called Files. Now select Continue. And if you never used it before, make sure to click on the gray switcher next to Allow access to manage all files. Then click on Downloads category. As you can see, all of my downloaded files are over here. To access one, click on it on the left. And my favorite part, to manage one, click on those three dots on the right. Then do whatever you want to. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!